It's Friday, and we got a little video to show you guys. We have pods that go in your S2000, and we actually made another pod specifically hard to install speakers, because some of these nicer speakers have crossovers. This is a capacitor, so that it won't blow up the speaker if you try to put bass through the speaker. But anyways, this speaker won't fit in our traditional pod, and this is why we had to do this. And let me put this down and show you. Do it like this, so that way you can hear me. So basically, this speaker pod was designed for the Audiofrog GS42, which will pop right in, no problem. Look at that, it looks so badass. This is the issue. The frame of this is different than almost every other 4-inch speaker on the market. So we had to address that, because not everybody wants to spend GS42 money. Okay, so we came up with this. This is our economy pod, and it's actually more pieces. It doesn't come finished. It's gonna come in a kind of raw 3D print. We don't 3D print these ourselves because we want a professional, strong, lasting print. So we send these to a different facility to get printed, so that when we get them back, they work and they're awesome. Now, the way this works is, if you put this together, you kind of get the same form factor on the front. Wow, you should just show that. It's okay. We make mistakes, we're people. But you get the same form factor with the two pods. You see that? Where you have the Audiofrog, and that will fit in the economy guy as well. See that? So it fits perfect, just like that. But this, like I said, won't fit in here. So what we needed to do was make this opening a little narrower here for this crossover to fit. Now, the first thing we had to do is, this speaker comes with this really pretty protective thing, and this right here, we don't need that. Just to make it easier for this guy to fit in here. So we're gonna fit this guy in here like so. We're gonna put it just like this, okay? We have these 4 holes here, and this is going to screw the speaker in. This is gonna have, see the little gap? That little gap goes away once you have your 4 speakers in place. And it's going to seal the speaker front to back for really good sound, brace the front. Now you have this really thick baffle on the front and the back for this 4-inch speaker to play very, very, very low, okay? And you're gonna get our nifty grill. Now, you guys are gonna wonder why we have an opening for the grill on our speaker adapter. And that's because we want that tweeter to go unobstructed, because it's higher frequencies. It's kind of like putting your hand over your mouth. We want to make sure that those frequencies get out. The lower frequencies you don't have to worry about. So we can have this cool grill around the lower frequencies. The higher frequencies, you're going to need something to come out. And this is the standard grill that comes with this guy. Thank you guys for supporting us. Over the last 5 years, we have been making all these S2000 things. We have revamped the dash kit one last time. So the guys that will be getting the new dash kits here in the next month or so, or the next couple weeks or so, you'll notice the difference. It's our final design, and moving forward, we'll always have them available for you, but this is the final time we're going to revise it. But this is my favorite revision, and when that comes, I'll show you guys that too. This is Adam from Absolute Electronics. Thank you guys, the whole S2000 community, the ones that hate us, the ones that love us. We appreciate all of you guys. Have a great day.